Hello everyone and welcome to Fusion Fundamentals with me, MJ. Today we're going to be having a look at how to make this knuckle duster. It's nice and symmetrical. It's got a good look and a good finish to it. This is just a good exercise in using technical drawing and specifications to get the desired object. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. To get started, I'm going to do the usual and pull in a canvas. So we go insert canvas. This is one I've already uploaded to my Fusion 360 profile. Knuckle duster. Again, we select the profile to put it on and just drag it to however big you think it should be. And now we will calibrate it. So if we look at this one, it's got measurements on it. So we're going to have the fun of drawing a technical drawing as well as having it as a template behind while we draw. So right click on canvas, calibrate. Now I'm going to pick these 2 points. That's 111 millimeters. So I'll scale that to 111 millimeters. Just going to turn this back on. I want to move this picture so that we can start our drawing on the origin. It's always good to have your drawing sort of located at the origin so it doesn't move around or anything. Just helps you define it. So there we go. So to get started, now we're going to create a sketch on this front plane. So I'm just going to start by drawing these circles here. Center diameter circle. That's not letting me locate my center. If it does that, just zoom in a bit. You can see over there it's 33, so I'll size that to 33. I'll do the same here. Just use the shortcut there for center diameter circle, which is C. So again, I'll do that. These I can see they're not in the right place exactly, so we'll align them now. We're going to distance these two. Between there and there is 42, and let's make this one fixed. So I'll just fix this so that I can dimension off of it. If I dimension these, that one could move, but now that it's fixed, we won't have that problem. So between that point and that point, we've got 36. Now both of those shift accordingly. Now let's just get this horizontal and this one horizontal with that one. Now this distance I'm assuming is going to be a 36 as well. So I will dimension this 36 and we'll get that in line as well. And then we're going to do a couple of circles just to get all these curves, and then we'll trim them. So between there and there we've got a radius of 24, so that's 24 times 2 to give us the diameter, and it's spot on. So we'll do the same over here. 24 times 2, so you can do the formula or you can just type in there 48. So it does the same thing. Now we've got these curves to put in. So what we can do is we can put in a fillet. So I will start by trimming these so we get that profile over there. This will allow us to do the fillet. So let's grab our fillet tool, go to that point, and we can see it's already in the right place. So that's 5. And I will do the same at this point and this point. There we go. It tells us 5 by 3, so these 3 are 5 millimeters. Enter. So we've made our selection there. Now we're going to come with a straight line across here as well as that side. So I'm going to connect it here, heading in that direction, and I want to make sure that this is tangent. So there, it's adjusted it slightly. Do the same thing here. And again, we'll just say tangent. So that's looking good so far. Now we can trim these without losing any of that outside circle. I'll do a center diameter circle now for these, and I can see the radius is 9, so that'll be 18. So there's our circle, which is going to give us our radius. I want to make sure these two lines are meeting though, so I'm going to say tangent surface and that surface, and there it just pulls it in line, and I will repeat that step on the other side. Find that center mark and 18, enter. I will again click tangent, select the 2. Now we can trim this section, and once we've drawn that bottom line we can trim the rest. So go back into line tool, I'll select this point here and just drag it out. Do the same on the other side, line tool, I'll just use the shortcut key L and drag it out. Now we'll go tangent again, select the 2, that was pretty much spot on already, that one as well. Okay, now we can see there's a radius of 6 there, so again center diameter circle. So there we can see it's running tangent. So now that that's there, we can just adjust this to 12. So a radius of 6 gives a diameter of 12, and there we go. Again, spot on. Now we've removed that excess. I'll repeat that step here with a center diameter circle and change the radius, diameter to 12. But now that's a little bit not quite where I want it. I'm just going to shift it over a little bit just to line up there. And for this last one I will do a 3-point arc. So once I've done this we can just trim everything, go through it, make sure it's all trimmed and neat. So we make sure we're on this line here. I'll select the bottom of that line and we'll go back down to the origin. Trim all these little excess pieces. Now we've got this fixed object. I'm not going to constrain everything. We've got what we need for this. So let's finish the sketch. So there's our object. All that's really left to do is to extrude it and put on a few chamfers. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe, and then you won't miss out on any future content. So here we go, extrude. I don't really know how thick to make this, so let's try 10 millimeters. Looks like it's not quite chunky enough. We'll go 15. So there is our knuckle duster, but I want to put a few chamfers on it so it would be more comfortable to hold. So we'll go fillets, not chamfers, sorry. Just select all the geometry that you want it on, and how big do I want that? 2 millimeters. Go in and have a look. Let's try 4. That looks a bit more comfortable. And there we go. So that's looking pretty good. So now what I'd like to do is just add a material to this to give it a bit of a better look. I'll go in here. We'll go with the anodized aluminium and drop that on there. Up on it on the whole body, not just that face. So there we go. That's our knuckle duster, nice and shiny. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and follow the channel for more videos to come. If there's anything you need assistance with, you can email me at fusionfundamentals@gmail.com or leave a comment down in the comments section. Till next time.